What is going on here? There's a bird here. Oh no, he's injured somewhere. Slow down, mate. Slow down. Hey, hey. Just want to check you out, mate. What's wrong? Are you okay? I can't see if there's anything wrong with him. Hey, fair enough. I'll grab him, mate. Sorry. He's dipping his head underwater. There's no fishing line or anything on him. What happens with these seabirds in this real hot weather? They actually get exhausted. They can't take back off. They actually dehydrate and can drown. So I'll get him in the shade and we'll have a proper look at him. Old mate is going to be... That's it. Unfortunately, a lot of them don't make it. He will be absolutely fine.